Mr. Eklund, must you?
What are you, some kind of religious fanatic?
I couldn't care less what you do to yourself, but must you do it in front of the children?
No.
Well, then.
Well, then tell him to turn around.
That is not exactly what I had in mind, Mr. Eklund.
Now, lady.
The name is Freno, Catherine Freno.
I don't know what you had in mind. I don't even know who you are, what you were doing on that island.
Well, if you must know, an American plane left us there. We were on our way from New Britain.
I want to go home.
Oh, Anne, it's rude to interrupt. We were on our way from New Britain to Port Moresby when the pilot was ordered to pick up 8 survivors of an Australian bomber that had crashed in the water. Unfortunately,
Hey, you, take that bat or whatever it is out of the water.